Hello guys, this boy Binky and I'm back for another video. Today I walk through how to solve the lab insurance direct object reference. To solve the lab is find the password for user Carlos and log in into his account, and let's access the lab. After you access the lab, make sure that Fox proxy and turn on your browser and turn on your PortSwigger. Let's go. You see we have let's go to live chat. Let's type any message, blah blah blah, and send the message and intercept. Make that on. Make the intercept is on. Forward the request. Forward again, and change the 6 to 1 and send the request. Send it. You see we have one.txt and we have password here. If it false, let's go to back home lab, access account access and hit login Carlos and use the password. You see we successfully